Hello, Scott here from 123 Internet. Today I want to talk about Boost Your Business with AI-driven SEO techniques, a step-by-step guide. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, staying competitive means embracing the latest technologies, and one powerful tool at your disposal is AI-driven SEO. Combining artificial intelligence with search engine optimization can revolutionize how businesses boost their online presence. At 123 Internet, we're here to guide you through this transformative process. Let's dive into what AI-driven SEO is all about. Essentially, AI refers to machines simulating human intelligence, allowing them to think and learn. When applied to SEO, AI can process enormous amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions that enhance your search engine ranking strategies. This means optimizing your website becomes faster and more efficient. There are several benefits to using AI-driven SEO. For starters, it significantly increases efficiency, as AI can analyze data quicker than any human. It enhances accuracy, reducing errors with its precise identification of trends. AI also improves user experience by crafting content that's more engaging and relevant based on user behavior. Ultimately, this leads to a better return on investment, allowing businesses to allocate resources more effectively. So, how do you implement AI-driven SEO in your business? The first step is to conduct an SEO audit, which helps you understand your current performance and areas for improvement. Use AI tools for keyword research to ensure your content targets the right audience. Thank you for listening. Connect and follow me for further topics and discussions.